Lesson: Documenting and reporting audit findings. Documenting and reporting audit findings is a critical phase in the auditing process, especially when auditing complex systems like artificial intelligence solutions. The efficacy of an AI audit hinges on the ability to communicate findings clearly, accurately, and comprehensively to stakeholders who may not possess technical expertise. The process involves translating technical details into actionable insights, which can guide decision-making and improve compliance and ethical standards. This lesson aims to provide actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks for effectively documenting and reporting AI audit findings, which are essential skills for a certified AI compliance and ethics auditor. At the core of documenting audit findings is the necessity to present information that is not only accurate but also understandable and relevant to the stakeholders. An effective report should encapsulate the objectives, methodology, findings, implications, and recommendations of the audit process. The findings should be factual and supported by evidence collected during the audit. A common and effective framework to achieve this is the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By ensuring that audit findings adhere to these criteria, auditors can produce reports that are concise and aligned with the stakeholders' expectations. To illustrate this, consider an AI auditing scenario where the auditor is investigating a bias in a machine learning model used for credit scoring. The auditor's report should specifically identify instances of bias, quantify the extent of the bias, propose realistic adjustments to the model, link the bias to potential legal and reputational risks, and suggest a timeline for implementing changes. By adhering to these criteria, the report can provide stakeholders with a clear understanding of the issue and actionable steps to mitigate it. Another practical tool is the use of visual aids such as charts, graphs, and dashboards. Visualizations can help simplify complex data sets and highlight key findings, making it easier for stakeholders to grasp the potential impact of the audit findings quickly. For example, a heat map could be used to display areas of an AI system with the highest concentration of risk, allowing stakeholders to prioritize their response efforts. Visualization tools such as Tableau or Power BI can be integrated into the reporting process to enhance the clarity and impact of the findings. The process of documenting audit findings also requires a keen understanding of the audience. Different stakeholders will have varying levels of technical understanding and interest in the audit's findings. For instance, a technical team may require a detailed report that delves into the AI model's algorithmic intricacies, while executives may prefer a high-level summary focusing on strategic implications and recommendations. Tailoring the communication to meet the needs of diverse audiences ensures that the findings are effectively conveyed and acted upon. A step-by-step approach to documenting audit findings begins with a clear definition of the audit's scope and objectives. This sets the stage for the entire auditing process and provides a reference point against which findings can be measured. Next, the auditor should compile and organize the evidence collected during the audit. This involves categorizing findings based on their severity, impact, and likelihood, often using a risk matrix to prioritize issues. Once the evidence is organized, the auditor should draft the findings, focusing on clarity and conciseness. Each finding should include a description of the issue, supporting evidence, the potential impact, and a recommendation for remediation. It is critical to avoid technical jargon unless it is necessary for understanding the issue and to provide explanations for any complex terms used. Peer review is an essential step in ensuring the accuracy and quality of the audit report. Having another qualified auditor review the findings can help identify any biases or errors and provide an opportunity for clarification and improvements. This step is particularly important in AI audits, where the complexity of the systems can lead to misunderstandings or misinterpretations of the data. The final step is to present the findings to stakeholders. This presentation should be structured to facilitate decision-making, with a clear emphasis on the most critical issues and recommendations. Utilizing storytelling techniques can be effective in engaging stakeholders and conveying the urgency or importance of certain findings. Storytelling involves framing the findings within a narrative that highlights the risks and opportunities presented by the audit insights, ultimately making the report more memorable and impactful. An illustrative case study can demonstrate the application of these principles. Consider a multinational corporation that implemented an AI system to streamline its hiring process. An audit revealed that the AI system was inadvertently biased against certain demographic groups, leading to potential discrimination. The audit report documented this finding using the SMART criteria, provided visualizations of the hiring data to highlight disparities, and tailored the presentation to address both technical and strategic concerns. The result was a comprehensive report that enabled the corporation to take immediate corrective actions, thereby mitigating legal risks and improving its hiring practices. Statistics also play a pivotal role in supporting audit findings. For instance, Gartner predicts that by 2025, 75% of AI audits will reveal biases that affect decision-making processes. This statistic underscores the importance of rigorous auditing and highlights the potential impact of overlooked biases. Incorporating such statistics into the audit report can help stakeholders understand the broader context and significance of the findings. In conclusion, documenting and reporting AI audit findings is a multifaceted process that requires careful attention to detail, audience, and communication strategies. By leveraging frameworks such as SMART criteria, utilizing visual aids, and tailoring communication to diverse stakeholders, auditors can produce reports that not only inform but also drive action. Real-world examples and statistics can further enhance the credibility and impact of the audit findings. As AI systems continue to evolve, the role of auditors in ensuring compliance and ethical standards will become increasingly vital, making these skills indispensable for any certified AI compliance and ethics auditor.